Whether you need a product urgently or can wait for days to get your order delivered, Amazon will do it on time. This efficient delivery system makes us wonder how Amazon does its product delivery from its warehouse. Either you're a seller or a buyer on Amazon. You may want to know the delivery process from its warehouse. For this reason, we've covered the complete journey of product delivery from the Amazon warehouse. Let's discuss first, what is an Amazon warehouse? Amazon warehouses, also called Amazon fulfillment centers, are large facilitating areas having employees and high-end robotic technology, which helps during product picking, packing, and shipping. Amazon warehouses ensure safe and on-time processing of customer orders and inventory. The warehouses also provide order fulfillment services for third-party sellers. The product delivery process from the Amazon warehouse starts with the order filling in the Amazon fulfillment centers, another name of a warehouse. The next step is to pack products with the help of robots and other technology in place. Once product packing completes, loading on vehicles begins. The loading vehicles move towards sortation centers from Amazon fulfillment centers. For distribution purposes, Amazon uses its ATS transport service and other land-based trucks, trailers, and vans. For a 2-day delivery service, Amazon Prime airplanes come in handy. In Amazon's fulfillment centers, new products are brought on trucks and passed through the conveyor belts to move the product inside the warehouse. Most of the time, different products are stowed randomly without keeping any sequence. Placement of different categories products in the same place makes it easy for employees to pick required products belonging to different sections at hand. Amazon robotic drive units move the products towards dedicated associates for picking. Here again, robot technology is involved, which helps in efficient delivery from the warehouse. Now it's time for product packing before delivery. After picking the right product, it moves along conveyors for packing before loading the products in a truck or vehicle. Moving along the conveyors, computers monitor and track the progress of the product. This tracking system weighs the boxes and ensures the correct order packing. Once Amazon associates pack the products in boxes, loading and carrying vehicles begins. During the loading process, vehicles are loaded based on product delivery time, location, and the shipping method. From the warehouse, now the products are on the way towards sortation centers. Moving towards sortation centers from Amazon warehouse. After loading, these trucks and vehicles hit the road to reach sortation centers from the warehouse. At a time, these vehicles carry around 2,000 product boxes along the way. Sortation centers are the places from where Amazon distributes its products. This distribution is done based on the location and delivery speed of the products. For efficient delivery purposes, Amazon introduced its Amazon Transportation Services, ATS, to deliver products. ATS, a subsidiary of Amazon, is a new logistics by Amazon. ATS is a combination of premium courier service companies operating in the country for product delivery. Amazon is doing a partnership with many courier service companies in the United States. For product delivery, ATS trucks carry the products in bulk from different points of the warehouse. ATS uses a transportation framework of road, air, or freight for delivering products. Now, Amazon has different electric vehicles, almost 10,000 truck trailers, and last-mile delivery vans to keep the whole delivery process from pickup milestone to last-mile delivery in its hands. Recently, Amazon introduced a new all-electric van for delivery purposes. Using Amazon Prime airplanes for 2-day delivery. Amazon Prime airplanes are specifically available for their Prime customers who require their products delivered within 2 days. These planes take flights from different airports around the country. Today, Amazon Prime airplane service is available in the United States, United Kingdom, Austria, France, and Israel. Alone in the United Kingdom, these planes take flight from around 20 airports to deliver Amazon packages within 2 days delivery time frame. The e-commerce giant is testing out Scout autonomous vehicles and robots to do thousands of deliveries overnight. These Scouts will be small autonomous vehicles powered by batteries to deliver packages in suburban areas. Moreover, the company ordered 100,000 electric delivery vehicles intending to have zero net carbon by 2040. Using drones, customers can hope that their product delivery will take only 30 minutes after ordering from the warehouse.